alam kung bakit. Yun lang. So, it just came out at the wrong time. But, because when I feel like ako lang yung, like, parang, ang weird lang kasi doon, parang, tumatawa kayo. And hindi ko alam, parang ganun. So,
I'm sorry. We keep on messing.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I don't want you to feel like it was because of you. It's just, feelings build up inside of me and I don't release it so that I feel like I'm stronger. Pero, yun lang.
It's okay, I'm sorry.
No. Wag. I don't like when people feel like kawawa for the point.
No, not kawawa. No, that's how we joke lang talaga. Alam mo na yan, pero wala. There was nothing there talaga. Maybe hindi ka lang sanay sa ganyan.
It's okay. It's okay.
You really don't mean anything by it.
Okay. It's okay,
I'm sorry I made you feel bad.
No, it's okay. Nakita ko lang yung mukha ni Gani, so hindi ko alam kung bakit gano'n.
Anong mukha niya?
Iba kasi, parang you said a joke or something, parang gano'n. So, parang yun lang. It's a bad time of the month, the hormones, and then I get excited.
It wasn't
Yun lang.
anything. I promise you it wasn't anything.
It's okay.
It's too bad.
No, don't feel bad. Trust me, it's okay. I just stay by myself so that I feel embarrassed now. It's not you guys. It builds up inside of me. And then sometimes some situations make me crack. So yun lang. Parang iba lang. Yung joke niya. Ay, di ko maintindihan. Yun lang. Okay. It's okay. Trust me. Okay lang. Bakit ganun din si Wendy, Nicole? Parang kayong tatlo. Parang ganun. So, hindi ko alam.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's just...
We didn't mean anything bad about you talaga.
Okay. But it wasn't like, I didn't think what you were talking about. It's more just the situation. Parang, minsan, I'm really just like that. Trust me. Like, things will build up. And like, syempre naman, namimiss ko yung lahat ng mga...
No, I know we were teasing you, pero hindi siya degrading or anything. We didn't have anything secret or something that we talk about or something.
It's okay.
It's nothing talaga.
Ganun lang talaga ako. Minsan, I would just break at random things. Like before with the Christmas carols, we were just sitting on the couch talking, I just started crying. Like, I'm really like this.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Like, sometimes...
Dito lang sa loob.
Because sometimes I will... Like, in here, I just hold feelings in para, I'm stronger. And then sometimes I just sit and think. That's why, napansin mo, tahimik na ako kanina. Yun lang. Maybe I'm just thinking too much. So, yun.
Yeah, bad joke on our part because
it was just, I didn't understand what was going on.
It was a bad joke on our part.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No, I don't take any offense to it. Hindi ako ganun. It's just, sometimes what's going on around me doesn't match up in my head, and then I click back to here, and then something will happen, and then what's going on in my head will come up. Parang ganun. So, yun lang. But it wasn't what you were talking about. It just was the feeling. Like, you were like, alam mo yan. Parang sabi niyo, small word. I was like, huh? And then ayaw niyo sabihin sa akin. Parang ganun. So, just weird yung feeling, Dito lang talaga, promise.
It's a small world because the people I know, some of them, Wendy knows.
Oo.
Parang, my ex, mga ganyan. So, alam mo na yan, small world.
Sino ex?
Katrabaho ni Wendy.
Okay.
So, it's the same, like, party crowd.
Oo.
So, parang, again, it's a small world. Like, Wendy somehow knows Denise. They somehow know you.
Oh, Denise knows my friends.
So that's a small world.
Gets ko.
I'm somehow connected to you then. Somehow. Diba?
Gets ko, pero it's just very hard.
I'm sorry for that bad joke. It was a bad joke on our part, okay? I'm sorry. Yeah. We don't think about anything bad about you. It was a bad joke.
It's just hard for me because I have to do this for myself, but, you know. Oh, it's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. I promise it's okay. It's okay, just... No, I'm only in the people.
Ah, okay lang. Excuse me. Thank you, Ate Joya.
Apa?
Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko alam. Kahit ako, hindi ko alam. Wala akong idea. Na-shock man.
Ano nangyari, pare?
Hindi, nagjo-joke lang kami na, alam mo na yan. Ha? Parang, sinabi ko sa kanya na,
Super fun.
ganyan naman talaga tayo nagjo-joke.
Alin ang alam mo na yan, pare?
Wala, alam mo na yan, alam mo na. It's a small world. Parang, di ba, may ini-insinuate tayo. So, sabi ko, if it's ganyan, so we're sorry if we hit something close to. It's a joke lang talaga, we keep on playing, pero I think it was a mean joke kasi siyempre nakakapaning dito sa bahay.
And basically siguro kasi tayo, di ba? Alam na natin pa, ganyan pala yan
Ang nangyari kasi is, tayo, high voltage tayo lahat.
We don't live in
hindi na natin iniisip na bago siya. So parang, iniisip niya na
baka din,
ginag-gang up natin.
Akala niya siguro.
Akala niya.
When, wala naman talaga.
Wala naman talaga.
Hindi naman talaga.
Na-shock na ako eh.
Ako nung naisip din ako, ha?
Kala ko nagtatampong pa-joke lang. Tapos biglang sinabi niya na umiyak.
Oo.
Umiyak talaga. Ba't umiyak si Jessica?
Umiyak siya?
Bakit?
Kailan?
Ngayon, kanina, paglabas namin convention room, umiyak.
Sino?
Jessica.
I don't know.
Or maybe
Baka kakagising lang.
Oo, tapos then I joined, and then biglang, alam mo, tapos yung tatlo, tapos ayun yung sabihin sa akin. Like, huh? But because it was already building up, like even with this report, I was like, Divine, let me help you para, kasi I was,
mag-isa ka doon kanina.
oo, and then I came in, and I was like, so I could do something. And then, here, I was thinking again, like, and then when I snapped back into it, I was like, I started asking those questions. Bakit? I was confused. And then it felt parang it was just used to it, and then alam mo yan. And then, huh? And I was like, okay. And then you're saying small, something sa passport or something else.
Sino sabi?
Because he was like, small world, just saying like, you know, parang ganun. So I was just like, bakit?
Magkakalala ba kayo? Yung pen niya.
And he went on to me, and I was like, okay, let's go na. Pero wala, seryoso. Walang ganun.
Walang kinalaman yun.
Oo, kasi wala. So sabi ko lang sa kanya, you know. Oo.
Ano masad? Ang maganda mo kaya? Hello?
Kasi sabi ko lang, kung hindi niya kilala, kung hindi niya ko kilala, like, hindi ko kayo kilala. How do you know? Parang ganun lang. No, ganito talaga ako. Because I don't cry often. So when it comes out, it comes out. Ganito talaga. I just don't say things. So parang I feel stronger. You know.
Ano nasasad ka? Kasal mo si Kuya. Wala naman, nasad lang po siya.
Yung mga everyday things.
Tinalakan na lang lahat na lang.
So, lagi kong iniisip.
Yan na. Siya naman.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Hindi namin akalain na gano'n yung effect. Kasi,
Yeah, may ibang reason.
It wasn't that.
May ibang reason.
But I was quiet while you were talking.
Magsabi ka nga.
Into it. This song, you know, sometimes
Kasi may, one cold strap.
and then something.
Asan?
It's like, well, that's why when you were saying parang like we were 2 years okay, parang you ex-boyfriend ko. Parang gano'n. So I was like, it's even, you know, diba, when you were saying your things, you said, parts of her, like, who understands.
May tali ng loob. Okay, sana naman hawak-hawak mo yan.
But it wasn't that. It was,
I'll be gone in a couple minutes.
well, this is really how I am when I miss things. Ayokong sabihin para, I feel stronger. Parang ganun. So sometimes it was just, like once before it happened in the other house. But then now, this is really how I am. I don't say anything. And then because I came out of the thinking again, and then you were like, alam mo yan, alam mo yan. So it was like everything built up. And then, yun lang.
Pero wala talaga kami alam.
No, what you were talking about. And then when Slater came there, and he's like, ganito, ganito. I was like, okay, gets ko na, pero hindi yan talaga yung regular.
it was a common, kasi,
Expression.
oo, expression. Pati si Kuya maririnig mo na gaganyan yan. Alam mo yan. O gano'n na lang bigla si Kuya.
And it wasn't like a joke or something. I just felt like 3 people were like, alam mo yan. I was like, ano? And then, because ayaw niya sabihin, so parang like, huh? Okay. And then, just from kanina, or even like the past month, it built up. And then, I don't say it. And then it will just burst. I'm really like that. I just don't say things.
They're not ganging up on your anything.
I know. I didn't. It wasn't even that. That's why I walked away because I didn't want you to feel like you were the reason. Yeah. Because it really was. It's like every little thing. So they're like saying, we can't sleep in. We call. You can cook like this.
Dito sana ay ma-control.
Oh. It's like outside I have control of everything. Here we have no control. So it just you know. Like to every little thing. Like I want to shower so that somebody else gets to shower too. Parang ganun. You know.
Don't be sad.
I don't like being sad. That's why I never say anything. I just okay.
Yeah.
Hindi ganun,
Kami kasi pag
I
nasad,
know where
sisigaw kami.
I know where you're coming from.
Ganun lang talaga. Or something to say. Get out of it or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Starting today. Now, tonight. Ano naman? Yun. From now on. From this moment.
Hungry?
Like a little action. Easy pipe. Oo, tapos,
So then we will, every night, we will watch.
We could switch off too.
Wait, we also have to kailangan natin ng something max.
Are you okay, Jess?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Either anin natin ng tuyo, anin mo natin ng something. Alam ko kasi, pag nakaamoy sila ng scent ng tao din,
Sabi daw, say chicken
they usually stay
punasan
away.
na natin before natin ilagay.
O, wipe it or punasan natin ng tuyo, o ganyan, para mas strong yung ano ng tuyo.
PVC pipe. Tapos pwede yung PVC